All right, I'm going to go over problem number 8a. It's talking about this ladder that's sliding down. And so what we have is, just remember that we have this ladder whose base here is 15, and the ladder is 25 feet. It's a 25 feet ladder. Okay. Now, using the Pythagorean theorem, you can find. Now, I'm going to make this x equals 15. And so using the Pythagorean theorem, you have y is equal to 20. Okay, and the Pythagorean is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And that's actually what I'm going to use to figure out the equation here. So what we have is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25 squared. Now, no matter what, when we take the derivative of 25 squared, that's going to be 0. Okay? So, what I have is, now we're taking this with respect to with respect to time. So the derivative here will be 2x times dx dt plus 2y times dy dt is equal to 0. Okay. Now the rate, it says the base is moving at a rate of 2 feet per second. 2 feet per second. So the base is moving, so dx dt is equal to 2 feet per second. So 2 feet per second. Okay. So then now you're just going to plug in the values in. Now you have x equals 15. So you have 2 times 15. Now, dx dt, by the way, that's feet. So we have 15 feet. We have 2 feet per second. Plus 2. Now the y wasn't directly given to us. That's what we found here with the Pythagorean theorem. And that is 20 feet. And then what we're going to do is we are going to solve for times dy dt. And now that's going to be 0. So what you are doing is you are rearranging. Oops. You are rearranging so that you can solve for dy dt. Alright, so when you solve for dy dt, remember that you have to subtract this part right here. So what we have is 2 times 20 feet times dy dt is equal to negative 2 times 15 feet times 2 feet per second. And then what you're going to do is you're going to divide by 2 times 20 feet. So you see that dy over dt, after you simplify, you can simplify out the negative 2 over 2, which becomes negative 1. And then you can even simplify this more. This will be a 1 over 10, right? So you have negative, and now the feet will also simplify. So it's negative 15 over 10, and it's feet per second, which is the same as negative 1.5 feet per second. Okay, and that's the answer for 8A.